Dear Mayor Casimiro Linares, presented by Agnes this morning. Dear Gary, President of Sky Renewable, I want also to thank Wilson Lim, our landlord, and to all of you, welcome this morning. When I arrived in the country 8 years ago to open Decathlon, I really wanted to make the project of Decathlon a sustainable project. So the sustainable project has 3 pillars, as you know. The first one, which is the consequence of the closure, is for sure to be profitable, because they are a company and we need to make some profit. But the profit is the consequence of a positive impact on the people, which is the second pillar, and a positive impact on the planet, which is the third pillar of a sustainable project. So yes, Decathlon want to have a positive impact to the people, okay, by being inclusive, okay, by being close from all the citizens, by partner with some sport club, with government, with NGO. We want to make the sport accessible to everyone, and that is really the aim and the goal of Decathlon. We want to have a positive impact on the planet. We are strongly committed to try to decarbonate our business models. The partnership with Sky Renewable to put solar panel on the roof of this store is a small part of what we want to do each day. We are working also to work with electric trucks for our deliveries, etc., etc. But more than that, we want to reinvent our business model and to have in the future more circular business model, not only selling some products. Circular business model meaning second life product, buyback, rental. This is all what Decathlon will do in the future. Yes, we have to protect the planet, because if we don't tackle the pollution, and if we don't take care about that, it will be impossible to practice sport. And if the people are not able to practice sport, it will be difficult for Decathlon to continue to shine in this country. So I want to thank Brenda and all the Decathlon teams to make this project possible, because it has been a long journey and we wanted to make it since 4 years. So thanks Gary to be able to work with you. And all together, let's continue to move people through the wonders of sport here in Antipolo and everywhere in the Philippines. Thank you.
Just to give a little bit of context why we have this kind of initiative. No? So in 2015, the Paris Climate Agreement was adopted as the world saw great significance for climate action. So leading to a global agreement on reducing carbon emissions and adaptation and mitigation to climate change. There is a global sustainable development goal specifically for energy. So we have the SDG 7. It is created to aim access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. And in order to achieve this goal, more countries are stepping up and utilizing a wider range of renewable energy sources. In a special report released by the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the IPCC, a call to set an urgency for nations to shift to renewable energy was made in order to prevent catastrophic climate implications for further global warming. So in the case of the Philippines, we have the Renewable Energy Act of 2008, which establishes the framework for the accelerated development and advancement of renewable energy source. So at Decathlon, as a company, we acknowledge that our operations impact the environment. With the global call to action on the current climate situation, our ambition is to become a driving force and beacon of light for a sustainable future. And in order to limit the impacts of climate change, we have identified specific levers to reduce our carbon footprint. One is decarbonizing our footprint. So our strategies include measuring the energy consumed by our stores, committing our suppliers also and partners to reducing their footprint, deploying energy efficiency programs, and deploying renewable energy. We also favor opening new sites on existing buildings, optimizing our logistics operations, full recycling of our operational waste, and measuring the carbon footprint of all activities related to our operations. And another lever, as mentioned by Hans, is optimizing our offer and designing products that last over time, scaling up our circular business models, and lastly, influencing our ecosystem through advocacy and mobilization. So this project, the installation of solar rooftop panels, illustrates our true commitment to decarbonation and achieving 100% use of renewable energy as we implement concrete energy solutions as part of our operations. So with the expected volume of renewable energy generated, at least 30% of our yearly energy consumption here in Masinag will be covered by clean energy. So our efforts towards sustainability do not end here. We have a lot more to contribute to sustainable future, and you will see a lot more of our tangible actions in the next years. And we hope you will still be with us celebrating our milestones. So thank you, everyone.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile! Let's choose all the cameras in front. Again, let's take a photo. 1, 2, 3, smile! Alright, let's make a countdown for us to officially launch this project. We'll count of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Once again, congratulations Decathlon Philippines for the launch of this sustainability project with no other than our local government, of course, our partner Sky Renewables, and of course our dear leaders from Decathlon Philippines. We have Hans If, Hatay Hat.
Now you're in Dance Festival.